chicken tenders. These are from Lightning Rounds in Lapeer, Michigan. All right. We got like a barbecue sauce and I think a regular ranch sauce. All right, let's do the dippage. You know how it goes. We got a dip. Oh, hold on, guys. I'm having some issues. First dip. Dip the tender. Oh my gosh, the batter on here. Oh my gosh, these chicken tenders, guys. These are so good. And the freaking breading is delicious. All right, we're going to try the ranch now, guys. These are not KFC chicken tenders, guys. They're moist. And the breading, the seasoning on the breading by itself, absolute fire.